Hey everybody, look what we got. 16 blind boxes to go. I'm really trying to get in the habit of calling them blind boxes, not just cubes, to update with the branding here. So remember yesterday we pulled that legendary Alfie. First time we got into the legendary tier. Took us 4 blind boxes to get there. I wonder how many it's going to take today to get something new. So let's jump right in, Mr. Nick. All right, dude.
Choose.
So 1 to 16. Okay. Just go over here. Just go up and down. Let's try that. There we go. Ooh.
I guess that's closest.
Close enough. All right. I really love being transported into our 80s backpack. So, yeah, we were talking the other day, and you said that you didn't know what that was. What else? You know what this thing is back here in red, right?
A Walkman?
Yeah. What do you put in a Walkman?
Tapes.
And what kind of tapes? For what? What's on those tapes?
Music.
Hey, all right. So that one you know. You don't know VCR tapes for that one, you know. Okay. With your donuts. All right, go ahead.
Oh, the silver donuts.
Silver donuts.
What's that? It says Cryptoys what? OCs? Oh.
Oh. Okay. Come on, baby. Give me something good. What do we got? A rare comet, which we have. Oh, we do.
Oh.
Yeah. No, we don't have a Juno. You like the music? It's pretty cute, isn't it? All right. Back to the backpack.
Is Alfie a corgi?
He is.
Yes, I love corgis.
I know, you do love corgis. Oh, this is one. This is definitely it.
Why?
Oh, it just is.
You don't know. I feel like it's it. Yeah.
I'm just feeling it. I'm feeling it. Mickey Headhug coming in hot.
Or remember when we did the Force?
Oh, that
from we did Star Wars.
Yeah, we used the Force. Headhugs and Forces together.
And crossing your fingers.
And crossing your fingers. Finger cross, head hug, using the Force. And it all comes out to uncommon Juno, which we needed. I don't believe it. Oh, look at him with his stripe. He's cute. All right, guys, check that out. Let's go ahead and everybody come watch us. Boom. Another one full. We got to get that, and we got to get that. All right, we're getting there. Very good. All right, guys, look at that. Filling in blocks one at a time. We'll see you